Today, I want to talk to you about a force that has shaped far too many decisions, stifled too many dreams, and held back too many incredible futures. Fear. Fear is a powerful emotion, no doubt. It can jolt us into action when immediate danger is present. It's the instinct that tells us to run when we see fire, or to step back when we're standing too close to the edge. But while fear can protect us in the short term, it is a terrible motivator for living a fulfilled and purposeful life. Fear will make you think small when you're capable of thinking big. It will whisper in your ear that failure is worse than trying, that criticism is worse than courage, and that the comfort of staying the same outweighs the potential of transformation. When fear is in the driver's seat, every decision you make is about avoiding pain rather than pursuing possibility. And here's the thing about fear. It doesn't disappear when you give in to it. It grows. The more you let fear dictate your choices, the smaller your world becomes. But what if we turn the tables? What if instead of letting fear confine us, we used it as a compass? What if we allowed fear to show us where the edge of our comfort zone lies, and then step beyond it anyway? You see, the most meaningful accomplishments in life rarely come from avoiding what scares us. They come from standing up to fear, looking it in the eye and saying, "You don't control me." I'm not here to tell you that courage is the absence of fear. It's not. Courage is feeling the fear and moving forward anyway. It's saying, I may fall, but I'll get back up. I may fail, but I'll learn. I may feel fear, but I refuse to let it write the story of my life. Think about the people you admire most, the leaders, the innovators, the trailblazers. Do you think they never felt fear? Of course they did. But they decided that the fear of regret, the fear of not trying, was far worse than the fear of failure. So today I challenge you, let your dreams, not your fears, be your motivation. Let the possibility of what could be, not the fear of what might go wrong, fuel your journey. You are capable of extraordinary things. You have talents, passions, and a unique purpose that this world needs. Don't let fear rob the world of your greatness. Don't let fear rob you of the life you're meant to live. Step forward, even if your voice shakes. Move toward your dreams, even if your hands tremble. Because on the other side of fear lies everything you've ever hoped for. Fear is a terrible motivator, but hope, courage, and belief, they are unstoppable forces. Choose them. Thank you.